Hi guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. My name is Dahlia, and in this video we are going to be doing our mini series saving challenges. So this is where I play a game, I roll dice, and I put them into the challenges that I have here. There are 6 challenges. So whichever number the die rolls is where I'm putting my money, and this binder is from Purely Budgets, as well as these envelopes. They're so good to play with, just because they're very expandable. So what I like to first do is put down the challenges, and yeah, I guess we'll get started. We are playing with $30 in cash. I did not show my wallet. I did like a Happy Mail in my latest video, and this one is from Purely Budgets. This came with my order, so I love using this pouch to hold my money. So I'm just gonna see if everything's within frame. Just gonna move it a little bit more up, and I'm putting this die closer because I can't really see. And yeah, I guess we're ready to begin. So let's see which challenges get completed, because as you can see, some of them are close to being done. So I'm gonna start off with one, and I like to put $1 per challenge. I'm really hoping I can complete some challenges today. And this one's 2. But how are you guys doing? Are you guys watching the FIFA, the soccer games this summer? I know I am. My family's every single challenge got money, so I'm really happy about that. My family's really into soccer. I grew up watching soccer. Just like I remember ever since we were little, my dad would always put the soccer channel, and at that time we only had like one TV, so whatever he wanted to watch usually is what we ended up watching. And I just kind of grew up liking it, and I'm really happy about that. And yeah, I'm really into it. And if you guys didn't know, my parents are Mexican, so of course I'm rooting for Mexico. I'm really hoping they can make it far out, at least to the semifinals or quarterfinals. That would make me really happy. Today, actually, I'm filming this on a Tuesday, is Ecuador versus Mexico, and my boyfriend's Ecuadorian, so it's gonna be a little bit interesting to say the least. So I'm really nervous, but he's a good sport. Like my boyfriend, he's like, whichever team wins. So there's that. And this one is a 2. So 6 and 2 are the ones that are not getting much. But yeah, so let me know if you guys are watching, and if you are, which team are you rooting for? I also was doing a lot of budgeting yesterday, and yeah, I saw that. If you guys didn't know, I have to pay my student loans again, which, it's fine, but it's like $500, 500 extra dollars, and we're done here. So I'm just gonna fix this up, and yeah, so I'm gonna do it in the order. So yeah, I unfortunately saw that I'm gonna have a little less per paycheck, which is like to cash stuff per paycheck, which is fine, but I'm gonna still continue these challenges because I truly enjoy doing them. Okay, so this challenge here is savings with grace. We did not fill in anything yesterday because we got $4, and I want to accumulate to start crossing it off. Does that make sense? I'm sorry if that doesn't make sense. So we were able to roll $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, and we have 4, so that's $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can cross 1 off, and I have my eye on this 9 here. Yay! I'm so happy we can cross 1 off. I know this one will take me a while to complete, but that's okay. Yeah. I love that these minis challenges, they are on cardstock, so I don't have to wait for them to dry. So we finished this one. Oh, okay. Next one, it's the bare budget freebie I got, and this one only has 2, so we can cross off 2. 1, 2. So now in this challenge we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we still got a bit to go. So this one is a heavy challenge. Okay. Next one we have here is from the Millennial Dollar. And guys, it looks like we will complete this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 1, 2. So we just needed 2, and we rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, $10, and we just need 2, so we have $8 left over. So I'm just gonna put this to the side here, and yeah, we're gonna finally finish this challenge. If you guys didn't know, this challenge, I feel like is one of my first challenges, and this one took forever to complete, but we finally completed it, and we should have $28. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $28. So I'm really happy we completed this challenge here. So what I am going to do is going to put in a new challenge. But hold on, let me paper clip this. Okay, so we paper clip this and put this here. And I am going to bring in this challenge from Rain Budgets. This one I got as a freebie. And we're just going to make each icon $1. So we're going to start that probably next week. And this $8. If I have any challenges that are close to being done, I'll just add it. Alright, so this one here is from Budget with Liz. And we rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. And how much do we have? 4, 5, 6. Oh, we finished this one too. Oh my gosh. I'm just so shocked. Exact. We got exact. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40, 50. Oh my gosh, I lost count, guys. 40. Let me count that again. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. So we have $40 and we finished this challenge, and I put 40 here so it's correct. So yay. I'm really happy about that. I don't know where my other paper clip went, so I'm just going to put this behind this one. And I have this challenge here from Purely Budgets. It's a freebie, so I'm really excited to play that next week. Well, next time. I try to play once a month. So this one, I think we finished this one as well. I just needed $1, and we rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, $5 extra. And wait, yeah, we rolled 5. I'm taking 1, so there's $4 extra, and I am going to mark it off, and we should have 16. Let's first count if we actually do have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think I counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright guys, I'm so sorry about that. I ran out of storage and I did not notice, because usually my phone would make a ding, but it didn't. But anyways, so I'm just gonna catch you guys off where we left off. So we completed this challenge here. from Angie's Finance. Oh no, this fell out. And we completed that challenge, and I was counting the money. And then I went to the next challenge. I replaced it with, I believe, this one. And then we went to this one, and this one only had $1, but because I had extra money, I took $6 from here and completed this one as well. I completed 4 challenges so far, which is really like crazy because I didn't think I was going to complete any. So I then took a new challenge, and this one's from Emzo Budgets. So we are going to do that next time as well. And then I counted how much money we had left over, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's $6, and I kind of want to put it into this challenge here because this one has higher numbers. So I am going to put it in this challenge, but I'm just going to circle it instead of holding off because I don't know, it just felt like it was more appropriate that way. I do want to count how much we have though. For this one, we should have 15. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is correct. So we are completing this slowly but surely. This one, I didn't put how much I'm supposed to have in total. I'll do that off camera. So yeah, guys, we completed 4 challenges, and I do want to know how much we saved. So I'm gonna pull out my calculator here. For this one, we have $28, and this one, Budget with Liz, has 40. And then this one here from Angie's Finance has 16. And the last one from Purely Budgets is for $36. $120. It's insane, guys. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I feel like if I took anything from today is I should definitely you know, every little bit counts. I usually do like $30 a month. So this was a process to say the least, but I'm very happy that we were able to complete 4 challenges. And yeah, it keeps me more motivated to keep doing these challenges. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I am so sorry about the technical difficulties. This is why I need a new phone because I'm running out of storage so fast. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.